Hi, welcome to week 7. We have a few words this week that you might not have heard before. So let's get started. This first word is etiquette. Again, it's etiquette. This word means manners, how you behave. So, for example, you have etiquette at the table when you eat. You're not going to lean down and put your arms on the table. Kilowatt. Kilowatt is how we measure electricity. So, for your electrical bill, it will be in kilowatts. Again, the word is kilowatt. This word is norming. Norming can have several different definitions. It can be used when you're talking about numbers or math. You are going to norm the data, which means that you're going to basically find the average of all of the numbers that you have. Another thing that you might do is norming in a meeting. This means that you are going to give everyone a specific job of what they're going to do in the meeting. The next one is productivity. Again, the word is productivity. Productivity is where you set goals for your company and you measure how well you are accomplishing those goals. Salutation is how you end a letter. So in week 7, we taught you how to end it by saying, thank you for your time, and then your name. So salutation is that end comment at the when you finish a letter. The next word is teamwork. Again, teamwork. Teamwork is a group of people working together. Unity. Unity. The word unity is another way of being together or working. Workload is how much you have to do at work. So, for example, you have a 9-hour workload with this class. All right. Please don't hesitate to ask any questions that you have about vocabulary. Bye.